katotohanan at hindi po gawa-gawa lamang. Itong CCTV video ni Mina, ito raw yung kontratista, ay pumunta siya sa Senado. Siguro pakita natin. Ano kayong ginawa niya sa Senado? Ito, okay, play natin.
I would suggest that Ms. Jose or Mrs. Jose should identify kung kaninong office siya nagpunta.
Okay, Senator Erwin Tulfo po. Meron po kasing problem yung terrace ni Senator Erwin na binabaha po siya, lalo po pag umuulan. So, ako po yung na-refer na contractor nung staff niya na kung pwede po tingnan namin gawa ng solusyon and mag-suggest po kami sa kanya.
On learning, her name was mentioned by Engineer Bryce. We immediately requested to cancel all contracts with WJ, where I specifically ordered to terminate our office refurbishment project with WJ. And then on September 11, I issued another memo asking for an incident report to all concerned employees, specifically the friend of the WJ Construction, Mina Jose. Had you told us na meron kang sabit sa mga project sa Bulacan, we wouldn't have let you step in the Senate.
Kaya po, ang tingin niyo, masakit man po sa akin, kapatid ko yan. Pero, teka muna, may issue eh. You think it's easy for me to sit here and listen? Yun pong sinasabi po natin, public official. You will always be under the scrutiny of the public eye. Incidentally, ito sa akin lang, hindi ko po huhusgahan dahil I like to be nice in a way na professional pa rin ako. Marami po naghahamon sa akin, kapatid mo, pareho lang naman kayo. Wag po, ano? Wag niyo pong gagawin sa akin yan. Wag niyo pong gagawin sa akin yan. Tulad ng sinasabi ko, masakit man sa amin, pero wala akong sasalba. Okay, ito pong sinasabi ngayon, ulitin po natin ang dahilan niya at medyo tumas ang boses niya. O sige, dito. Sabi niya.
Learning, her name was mentioned by Engineer Bryce. We immediately requested to cancel all contracts with WJ, where I specifically ordered to terminate our office refurbishment project with WJ. And then on September 11, I issued another memo asking for an incident report to all concerned employees, specifically the friend of the WJ Construction, Mina Jose. Had you told us na meron kang sabit sa mga project sa Bulacan, we wouldn't have let you step in the Senate.
Ang sagot ko naman sa iyo, Senator Erwin, my brother, listen carefully, listen good. Wala ka ba mga staff na nagsabi, sangkot yung pangalan ng contractor na yan, nagagawa ng terrorismo sa Senate? Pag suspect ba, aamin siya na suspect ako? Hindi kaya siya pumunta riyan, parang akala niya, baka ikaw magiging daan para kung anumang dahilan, hindi ko na alam. Mababahiran ka dyan, tol. What am I saying? I'm saying, may mali. May mali because it's happened under your watch. Fire your staff kung sino man yang kumuha dyan. Because hindi po pwede maging rason yan na sasabihin mo, had you told us, you should have examined carefully. Bakit hindi ba alam ng mga staff mo na yung pangalan na yan, sangkot doon sa sinasabing kontratista, nagbigay ng pahayag si Senator Pampilo Lacson ng head ng Senate Committee where you belong? Mababahiran ka dyan. What are you saying? O ngayon, nakita nyo. Yung mga sinasabi niya, nagtatakipan kami. All I'm saying, pag nga nandyan, trabaho niya yan. Pero kung yan ay nauukol doon sa kanyang trabaho, maybe it's an oversight, maybe sabihin natin poor judgment. I will call it a poor judgment in you, Senator Erwin. You're my brother, and I love you. But you know what? You're not safe. You're not safe with me. Because tulad ng ginagawa ko sa ibang mga senador na kasamahan mo, I'll do the same thing, the same yardstick, the same measuring stick. I will do it to you too. Kasi kung hindi, baka sabihin, sinasalba lang kita dahil utol kita. No! May problema dyan. Although, anong ginawa mo? Tama naman ang ginawa mo. Inigil mo na. But it's too late. Yung perception is everything. That's what I was saying yesterday. Ang isang persepsyon, pag nabuo yan, narinig, napakinggan, at nakita, ebidensya, although circumstantial yan, pero yung pagpasok sa Senado, blue ribbon, at kung sino pang dinaanan yan, abay siguro naman dito, at this point in time, the only way to do it, sibakin mo yung taong kumuha dyan. Ito bang mina na to, hindi mo alam na kontratista siya, nasangkot. Or, kinuha ba muna, teka muna, papasok, lalong-lalo ngayon, timing, it's siguro poor judgment in your part, nagkakaamali tayo. But on that basis, what am I doing? Ginagawa ko lang po ang trabaho ko. Hindi po ako galit. Kapatid ko po yan eh. Ano na kung ganun din naman si Senator Raffy Tulfo, hindi ko rin siya isasalba rito. Yun po ang aking trabaho. Masakit man, well, teka muna. Sila po pinagsisilbihan ng taong bayan sa ilalim ng sinasabing tanggapan ng gobyerno at ang gobyerno papasahod sa kapan ng bayan. Ikaw ay public office as public trust. You must earn and make sure that perception is being erased. All those circumstantial evidence pa man yan. Hindi naman matibay na ebidensya yan. Kaya lang sa akin, sa poor judgment, that perception will stick there and there has to be, you gotta be able to do something with that. Dami ko pong natanggap na lahat ng mga text messages, lahat na kumbaga, hindi ko lang sinasagot. Bakit? Anong gagawin ko? Why would I defend him? May mga abogado naman siya, nasa Senate naman siya. May mga staff naman siya. Pero pagdating dito, ibang trabaho niya, ibang trabaho ko. I do not have any issue with him. And the only thing is, that's what it is. I will not agree with what you're saying right then and there. Mag-uusap tayo. If I were to be, kung pinalusot, kung naging kasama mo lang tayo riyan, tatlo tayo, hindi, boboljacking ko kayong pareho eh. And that's what I'm saying. Wala akong isasalba kahit sino.